heating, cooling, and domestic hot water in one system, excellent thermodynamic performance, electric auxiliary heating, all-in-one design and easy installation. KAWM 5.1. Save up to 80% energy. Uses a 290 natural refrigerant to offer sustainable green and comfortable hot water solutions. The heat pump comes with a controller, touchscreen for intuitive operation. It also features remote smart control. Enjoy a large amount of running water without residual heat. There are more options to choose from.